In this video, you'll learn how to build an expense tracker app using Claude Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional command line application that allows you to manage your income and expenses effectively. To begin, open your command line interface. First, create a new directory for your project by typing mkdir expense tracker and then press enter. This command sets up a folder named expense tracker where all your files will reside. Next, navigate into this directory by entering cd expense tracker and pressing enter. You should now see your command prompt indicating that you are inside the expense tracker folder. Now let's prepare a JSON file to store your transactions. Type out file transactions.json quote and press enter. This command creates an empty JSON file named quote transactions.json quote inside the expense tracker directory. You will use this file to store your transaction data in a structured format. Next, you will create the main script for your expense tracker. Type tracker.ps on quote and press enter. This command creates a new PowerShell script file named quote tracker.ps1. To edit this file, type notepad tracker.ps1 quote and press enter. This action opens the file in Notepad, allowing you to input the necessary code for your expense tracker. In the Notepad window, paste the provided code for the expense tracker. This code includes functions for adding transactions, listing them, checking the balance, and obtaining insights from the Claude AI. After pasting the code, save the file by clicking File in the top left corner and selecting Save. Close Notepad once the file is saved to return to your command line interface. Now that you have your script ready, you can start using your expense tracker. Tap ES1-action add-type expense-d groceries amount 50 and press enter. This command will add an expense of $50 for groceries. Similar to add an income transaction, type tracker.ps 1-action add-type income-des salary amount 1500 and press enter. You can confirm that these transactions were added successfully. To view all your transactions, type tracker.ps1-action list and press enter. This command will display a list of all your recorded transactions in a clear format. If you want to check your current balance, type tracker.ps1-action balance and press enter. This will calculate and show your total income and expenses. Lastly, to get insights from Claude, type tracker.ps1-action insights and press enter. This command will analyze your transactions and provide useful financial insights. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.